What is up, friends, and welcome back to the channel. I figured today we would do a very casual and fun video. I know I've been talking a lot of technical and serious topics on my channel recently, so I figured I'd bring it back fun and classic with a good old Fox Liquidation Free People mystery box. I have been editing all day today, so this is actually a break for me too, because this box is a little bit different than all of the other ones that I have picked up, so I cannot wait to show you guys. Okay, last sip of coffee, and here's the box. All right, as mentioned, this box is by Fox Liquidation. I'm not going to go into major detail about the company because I have talked about it a million times on my channel before. So if you have never heard of Fox Liquidation, I will leave the playlist up on the screen for you. I literally go into so much detail about different small lots and pallets on their website. I even talk about how to estimate potential profit on your different purchases on that playlist. So definitely go check it out. Of course, if you have any further questions about the website, I feel like I'm an expert by now because I have purchased from there at least a dozen times. I really should count it up just so I can tell you a specific number. If you have any questions about the website, don't hesitate, leave them down below. I am happy to help you. But as mentioned, we are going to open up another Free People box. So this one is a little bit different. I believe the last two that I did end up purchasing were just general Free People items, but this box that we're going to unbox today is actually Free People Movement. If you're not familiar with what Free People Movement is, it is basically Free People's workout or activewear line. Now, typically I wouldn't gravitate towards picking up Free People Movement, but I thought it would be a really good idea to at least have some activewear and athleisure wear within my closet because, as you guys know, after the holidays, that's when everyone makes their New Year's resolutions, and a good majority of them, at least from my friends and family, are always physical health related. So I thought it would be a really good idea to stock up on some of these pieces, hoping that buyers are going to be looking for them in January. As mentioned, this is a mystery box, so I don't know how many pieces are actually in it. I also don't know what type of pieces are in it. I am assuming that there will be some bras, bralettes, maybe some leggings or shorts. I'm not too sure. We're gonna figure it out together. I will say I paid $200 for this box, but of course I did use my own discount code to obviously cut down on my cost of goods. Who doesn't love a discount? If you guys don't know and you are interested in anything on Fox Liquidation's website, whether that is small lots to major pallets, you can use the discount code Lindsay5 at checkout and you'll get 5% off your box, which will help with your cost of goods. And as a bonus, you are supporting this channel in a different type of way, so I sincerely appreciate it every time you guys reach out to me and say you have used my discount code before. And also, the best part about that code is it doesn't expire, so you can definitely use it in the new year. You can use it multiple times. Like I said, I used it on this little puppy here. And with that said, let's get unboxing. And before we do our haul today, it seems as though Mr. Houdini wants to say hello because he was right by my feet. Were you chewing the carpet? Were you being a little bad bunny? We're still working on him not chewing the carpet. He is much better than when we first did get him, but sometimes he likes to be a bad bunny. So any bunny moms out there, let me know. How do I get this one from not chewing our carpet? What do you think, Houdini? Do you want to say hello to your internet friends? All right, I'm trying to find a way that you guys can see me actually unseal the box. It may be a little bit wonky. Usually I open this up on a table, but I was a little bit too lazy today. Don't judge me. Okay, it is officially unsealed, hopefully. Wait, I think I may have missed a spot. Hold up. Okay, I think we got it now. And as you guys can see, it is definitely stocked up to the brim. All of these Free People pieces are wrapped in their wholesale packaging, which is absolutely so nice because honestly, it is very rare for me to actually take out the pieces from their packaging. And I'll tell you about that as we open up these pieces. So let's get started. The first one looks like it is a hoodie with these color block purple stripes. This is going to be perfect for someone in January that is maybe hiking outside or doing any type of outdoor activity that they may need to layer up on. To be specific, this is called the So Fly half zip hoodie in boysenberry combo in an extra small. The other great thing about all of these packages is it has the style name, it has the color combination, and it has the size, so you can easily Google these style names, find the stock photos, find the descriptions, even sometimes find the measurements, and you're good to go to listing. And you don't even have to take it out of its packaging. Now, as promised by the website, all of these pieces should have new with tags, and hopefully you guys will be able to see that, but I do see the tag kind of lodged in there. It looks like the MSRP on this one is $98. All right, so far, so good with the first piece. Very happy about that one. Moving on to this yellow pair of shorts. Yay, I'm glad I got a pair of shorts because I don't sell shorts very often. These are the Odessa pair of shorts. When I think of Odessa, I think of like Odessa with a Z, not a double S, but hopefully I'm still saying that correctly. You never know. These are in a size small. These are originally $58, and the Free People movement tag does look a little bit different. Also, you can see the Free People logo on the actual pair of shorts. I do wonder if these are biker shorts or regular shorts, but I do notice that they have pockets. Up next, we have a free throw Henley, which kind of sounds like it would be either a tank top or a t-shirt. I'm gonna try to flip around the MSRP tag. It says that this was originally $50 and this one is in an extra small. We have two of them, so that's gonna make my life that much easier because I don't have to write up two listings. This one is in a size medium, and like I said, I got a small as well. All right, on to the next. It looks like these are a pair of leggings. Yes, okay, so these are the Ashford You're a Peach leggings in a size large, and this is in the deepest navy color. It also has this detailed stripe, which is super cute. This was originally $98. I have actually had a pair of Free People movement leggings myself, and I personally really like Free People movement, so I'm sure these are going to be great for someone. Ooh, okay, so this is super fun. Look how flippin' neon this is. I'm really happy that I am getting spring and summer related pieces because personally, I have been sourcing for spring and summer pieces. I am done shopping for boots and coats and sweaters and all the cozy wear, as sad as that actually is. I am really looking forward to seeing some bright colors within my inventory, so this is gonna fit in just perfectly fine. I am actually showing you the back. This is the front, and it looks like it is a high neck crop top, and oh my goodness, I just realized I have been really into buying activewear recently for yoga, so I really hope there's nothing in here that really tempts me for me to open and try on and then possibly keep. Anyways, this tank top is a medium large, which probably means that it does stretch, and this was originally $30. This is the cropped run tank, and I think I may have a different color in that one. This one's cropped run tank, and this is the free throw cropped, but they both have that ribbed type of material. It looks like this one is possibly a deep V, and that one was definitely a high neck. So this is in a size large, originally $30 as well. There is a lot in this box. I actually assumed there would only be 10 to 12 items because that's how many items I have been getting in my other Free People boxes, but we have a long ways to go. So I am actually really stoked about that. And speaking about temptation, I am so in love with this green color. I know if you know my channel, you know I love pink, but I've been really into green recently. I just think ever since my wedding colors were green, and now I just gravitate towards green. This top is in an extra small. It is made out of that same ribbed material. This is the free throw short. So actually these are a pair of shorts. They are in an extra small, thank goodness. That means they won't fit me because I'm definitely not an extra small booty. Fun fact, I will never forget this, but someone in middle school said, you have really great birthing hips. Imagine telling your friend that in 7th grade. What a weird comment to tell a friend, and I will just never forget it. Apparently, I have great birthing hips. That will be good to know if I ever decide to have kids. If you want to participate, let me know the strangest comment you've ever got from anyone before, because I think that is the oddest comment I've ever heard for myself. Speaking of green, okay, so we have another, I think, tank top, or is this a bra? No, this is the free throw crop in an extra small. It is this emerald color, so pretty. Originally $30. Pair of shorts. Ew, these are really, really cute. Okay, so these are the Thanks a Bunch short in a periwinkle dream color. These are in an extra small as well. And let's see if we can flip over the tag. So this is $78 originally. I really like that it has this perforated type of material, so when you are running, it's a little bit airy. I would have definitely appreciated that when I was in my running era. Now I'm in my yoga era, but you never know, maybe I'll go back. I feel like this is a Mary Poppins bag because we still have a good amount left. Okay, we have these hot shot leggings in the color Flame, like with a B. I wonder if that was a mistake. Like, is it supposed to be flame, not flame? Or maybe I'm just saying it wrong. I don't know. These were originally $60 and it is in a size small. This looks like it is more of a lounge type material. Ooh, pretty. This is fun. This is in the color Nutmeg. How fitting for this time of year. This is in an extra small, and these are the Good Karma leggings. Very, very cute. I think I'm going to list these first out of everything here because brown is a color that is always in for fall and winter. So hopefully this sells sooner than later. We next have this free throw leggings in Mexican Sage in a size small. The MSRP on these was $70. So again, everything is wrapped super clean. It's going to be super easy to list, and there is that cute little Free People movement logo. All right, 2 more items. This is the Can't Handle This short in a navy color. Size small, originally $68. It looks like it has this really cool lace up situation going on. You guys will be able to actually see within the stock photo. And honestly, I'm really interested to see what the stock photo looks like too, because the lace up looks pretty cool. And last, but certainly not least, is this square neck Good Karma bra top. And guys, I think we may be in trouble. I am a sucker for square necklines, like sucker, ridiculously obsessed with square necklines. Honestly, if I could have a closet full of square neckline crop tops and t-shirts and dresses, I would be a very happy girl. So I may have to be trying this one on. Uh-oh, you know what? I think I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to unseal the packaging so I can look at it. So cute. Maybe it won't fit me, guys. I don't know if I'm an extra small. I'm usually like small medium, but it could stretch. This is so pretty. It has this texture detail to it, and also a little bit of ruching on the back. I'll definitely pop up on the screen what I end up doing with this one, if it fits or not, but so far, I think I'm in love. And that was everything. As mentioned on the website, all of these items should add up to an MSRP of $800. Literally, I don't know the total off the top of my head, so I'll put it on the screen for you, but we're gonna calculate how many items I actually do have, so I know my cost of goods. And 14. Let's do a little bit of math. So originally this box was $200. I used the discount code. You guys know it, Lindsay5 for 5% off. Therefore, I did get $10 off, so my total was $190. There was no tax, there was no shipping, so we're gonna do $190 divided by 14, which is $13.57 for each piece. All in all, I do think that is a really good deal if you are looking for the convenience of saving time while listing. All of these pieces, and I know I always say this in every Free People unboxing video, you're not going to be making mountains and mountains of money, but to me, time is money. So if I can list these items without having to steam them, prep them, hang them up, model them, and actually have to package them up once they are sold, I'm saving so much time in that respect. So even if I can just double my money on this box, I'm actually truly happy with that. Because I will say, Free People items are always popular, they always bring traction to my closet, and they always tend to sell fast for me personally. If you have been watching my channel for a while now, then you know that Free People has been a #1 seller in my closet, so I'm really looking forward to listing these. In the meantime, definitely let me know down below, are you already sourcing for spring and summer? Are you picking up swimwear and activewear? I would be super curious to know. I know I have been sourcing dresses like crazy, and obviously activewear now. All right, guys, and with that said, I think I'm gonna leave you a video that I think may be really, really helpful. I have a video on my channel where I talk all about estimating your projected profits when you are looking at liquidation that I think would be very beneficial for you to check out. So I shall see you in that one that I'm gonna link on the screen.